Hey subbies, I can't wait to share with you some amazing new video game that's available for both Android and iOS. Before I do, hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my awesome upcoming videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. And also check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my Amazon Basics tripod. I've never used a better tripod that is more durable, more easy to set up, or more fun to film with. Especially when it comes with an adorable carrying case that makes it even more wonderful for vloggers on the go. As well as I love using the SanDisk memory cards that make transferring files from your camera or camcorder to your computer fast, easy, and dare I say fun. Make sure you check out both of those affiliate links in the description box below. And if you order anything, make sure you do it using my Amazon affiliate links because I will make a commission off of the items that you order. So make sure you check them out in the description box below and give this video a thumbs up. The game that I have to share with you is Pokemon Go. I have never used a more wonderful game. I love it because it gets you out and about so you can be more active and have a ton of fun while doing it, so exercise isn't even being too difficult anymore or too strenuous. It becomes fun and fantastic and share worthy with all of your friends and family so you all can get in on the Pokemon adventures. You can catch adorable Pokemon using your phone. You go out and about, and even stopping by the places that you normally stop at, you can encounter POKESTOPS, which you spin them, and you can get all kinds of rewards. You can get gifts to give to your friends there that you add using your code, so you can add each other and send each other gifts, as well as being able to battle your friends, which is a lot of fun to be able to see who the true Pokemon Masters are, as well as being able to get some amazing items from these Pokestops as well, especially fruit there that makes catching Pokemon even easier, especially those tricky ones, as well as all different kinds of Pokeballs. You can have a standard Pokeball, an Ultra Pokeball, or a Master Pokeball. The options are up to what the spinners have in store for you. And the best part is you can get even some candies from your Pokemon buddies. Your Pokemon buddy is the Pokemon that you have that will follow your character around wherever you go, and it will pick up candies that specific Pokemon is. For example, my Pokemon is an Eevee. So that Eevee will find Eevee candies that I can use to evolve my Eevee or even power her up to give them new and improved moves. And I really love that this game is free to play. That is the best of all. But you can buy things using a credit or debit card to purchase Pokeballs. Incense allow Pokemon to be drawn to your character to make them easier and more plentiful to catch, as well as getting some lure modules which allow you to place a lure at a Pokestop location to have more Pokemon attracted to that area. And my favorite are the lucky eggs because you can gain double experience points while having the lucky egg in use. And the best thing of all is the incubators, which make hatching eggs easy and above all imperative because you need them to hatch the eggs. And you can gain all kinds of awesome Pokemon from them. And the best part is if you get a Pokemon that can be evolved, you can get 2 for 1. What I mean by this is, with the Pokemon, before you evolve it, it counts as one type of Pokemon, but after you evolve it, you get the evolution of that Pokemon, so you get 2 Pokemon for 1, which makes expanding your Pokemon collection that much easier and that much more fun. I love playing this game, and I hope you all will try it out because it will be a wonderful thing to do this new year, to be out and about and catching Pokemon because you gotta catch them all. You will be hard pressed not to because it is such a fun game for the whole family. Y'all will be out there becoming Pokemon masters, I promise you. This game you will not be able to put down, and being looking forward to your next excursion out and about to collect Pokemon, to stop by POKESTOPs, and to trade gifts with your friends and family. You have never had so much fun playing a mobile game, and you will not be able to stop, and you will have to tell all your friends and family, because that will be why you will be out and about so much more in this coming year. I hope you enjoy it just as much as I do. Try it out. Comment down below who your Pokemon buddy is and what your favorite thing is that you've found in the game so far. Tell me in the comments down below. I love finding out about other Pokemon Masters discoveries and achievements. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below. Click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. Check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my Amazon Basics tripod. It makes filming fast, easy, and above all fun, because it comes in an adorable portable carrying case that makes it wonderful for vloggers on the go. And check out the SanDisk memory cards that make transferring files from your computer or camcorder fast, easy, and above all fun, so you can get to that excellent editing in the blink of an eye. And if you order anything using my Amazon affiliate links, I will gain a commission off of your order, so make sure you use my Amazon affiliate links and check them out in the description box below. And follow me on my social media. My Twitter is Comedy Addict, my Instagram is Comedy Creation. I can't wait to hear about all of your amazing Pokemon discoveries, and to see you in my next video. Until then, subbies, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye, subbies!